Hey, good morning everybody. So we're at our tree removal here now, just at Black Falls. As you guys can see, we got our spruce here. It goes right up there. She's worried about these roots as they can grow into the foundation there, and then just being up this tall with the windstorms we've been having here, she doesn't want it falling on her house, of course. So we're gonna get this trimmed up here and take it down. We'll catch you guys up there though. nest up here, guys. Hope there's nothing in it. We usually take a peek in here, see if there's anything in there. As you guys can see, nothing. Probably those old crows or magpie nest up here. We're gonna launch her down now. There. Move around here a bit. All right, let's go. Ready? Beauty. Not the best hinge on there, but she fell down nice and safe. Now it's time to buck her down. All right, guys, so we just finished up here at the job. As you guys can see, we took her down. We did a nice clean up here. She just wanted it to as low as possible to the ground. So we got her pretty much down to there. But looks pretty good. Opens it up quite a bit, as you guys can see. But we're all loaded up here. Eventually, we're gonna get a chipper someday to chip this shit up. But we're gonna haul this back to the house, put it onto our burn pile. And that was today's job there. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll talk to you guys in a bit. But we're back here now in the shed here, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I would like to say thanks again to Andy. He helped me out with all the video, like the framework to make the last video how it was, and should be again for this video. But I would like to say thanks again to everybody for tuning in. I'd like to say hi to everybody. Welcome everybody that's new. But we'll talk to you guys on Thursday there. Hopefully you guys have a good week. Armands High Life. Thanks again.